In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips that will help you improve your YouTube search rankings. There are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, which means there is a lot of competition on the video platform. Understanding how you can take advantage of the platform's algorithm can help more people see your videos and channel. Here are 5 tips to help you improve your search rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1. Align your content with viewer searches. To outrank the competition, your YouTube content needs to include the exact words and phrases that are being used in searches by people who are looking for content like yours. Many free and paid tools can provide you with insights into what people are searching for on the platform. After you've identified the best keywords to use, incorporate them into your content. Tip number 2. Maximize video watch time. One of the most important ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. If you don't have strong watch times, your videos will fall in rank. The watch time isn't just about the total minutes watched, but the percentage of the video viewed. The best way to help you increase watch time is to get rid of long intros and outros. Tip number 3. Drive longer channel sessions. You have to get people to watch more than one of your videos. While all channels want this, not many of them are actively encouraging viewers to watch more videos. If your channel can consistently start people watching YouTube for extended periods, your channel will be rewarded by getting ranked higher on YouTube search. A good tactic for encouraging viewers to watch more videos is to use clickable thumbnails or end cards. Tip number 4. Keep your content consistent. Like Google, YouTube likes authority, so if you regularly upload videos focused on the same topic for many years, then you will be much more likely to rank higher for related search terms. When it comes to choosing topics, it's best to pick a narrow niche and stick with it. Tip number 5. Cultivate audience engagement. While comments, shares, and likes are great for providing social proof, and comments are a great way to gain feedback and insight from your audience, switching up your call to action to encourage engagement can give you a healthy boost in the search algorithm. As with any social media platform that you use for your business, you'll only get out of YouTube what you put into it. If you want to improve your search ranking, then you should consider these 5 steps.
Hey, this is Chap Nova. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you click the link in the description below to get your copy of Basics for Making a YouTube Video for Beginners. We are so excited to go on this journey with you, so we want to make sure you get your copy today. So make sure you click that link below and get your copy. See you on the other side. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.